Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. And here is my last seconds of my second Kickstarter. And if anybody's jumping off, it would be bad. But I guess it will be funded. So I got a whole lot of 13 backers. 2 of them just pledged a gift amount. So anyway, let's see what happens if I have fireworks going on the page or nothing. Let's see. I'm holding my phone in my hand, so that's why it's shaking. And not because of an earthquake like I did have the other day. It was actually, yeah, not that bad. Just weird when you're sitting down and then your chair does move left and right. Okay, anyway. 2, 1. Oh, I did get fireworks! Haha! I did not know it's gonna happen. Okay, so now the work begins. Well, actually, first the wait begins till I get the amount that was pledged. And I have everything ready to order. And as soon as I receive the funds, I will put the orders in and make it the fastest possible way to get this beautiful clock. I don't know why it did not got more pledges. I mean, I created it obviously, but I keep looking at it and I like it. Sitting on my desk with wave inlay picture. And anyway, if you're seeing this and if you did pledge, if you want any custom picture inside of it, I will do it for you no matter what you pledged for. Just send me the picture you want, be it a family picture or I don't know, whatever you want, and I will have it nicely printed on glossy thick paper, photo paper, and insert it and send you the clock finished. I'm also thinking of setting the time zone to the person's place of living, shipping address, and it will work out of the box. As soon as you power it up, it will show the correct time, including the daylight savings time setting. So that will be a small bonus. So, but you can still, of course, set it up with your Wi-Fi and get the hourly or weekly updates on the time. But with the built-in RTC chip, this thing is really very precise. So anyway, thank you everybody, thank you Pete, thank you Adam, and you pledged on my first Kickstarter campaign as well. That didn't go through, and I will of course get in touch with each backer and thank them again and ask if they want anything special. And since it's only 11 clocks, I can do that and don't mind the extra time. Yes, this is it. Thanks for watching, and stay in touch for my next campaign. It will be not even better, but something different that you can, if you use a PC, you can use it and you will use it. Trust me, you will use it, not lose it. You will use it every time you're using your mouse. And that is the Mac Scroll. and I talked about and showed it in previous videos. Right now I'm just holding on to this screen. And anyway, thanks everybody, and see you on the next one. Take care.